What's up, YouTube? Sitting here at 7 p.m. Or actually, I guess it's closer to 7:30 now. Waiting on my cell samples to incubate so I can run them out in a gel. Well, first I have to do my protein analysis. You'll see what that looks like here in a minute. So yeah, see, there's proof I'm not lying. It is really 7:23 p.m. I'm in lab. I'm probably going to be here to close to 10 o'clock. Fortunately, though, I did have a chance to go home and rest for a couple hours. The reason I'm starting this so late is I had to wait 6 hours for my cells to incubate in the presence of a chemical compound before I could collect my samples. And now, normally, most days, for most experiments, I would just collect my samples and turn around and go right back home, but my boss really wants these results, so he basically implied that I better stay and run this gel or else, is basically the implied message I got from him today. So, yeah. Fun night. Yeah. Something they don't tell you when they recruit for graduate schools, or at least they don't emphasize it enough, is if you're in this particular field of science, you will pull some weird hours. Like, I've been here, I've known people, fortunately I've been lucky not to have to do this, but I've known people who've had to come in like every 2 hours throughout the night, like 10 p.m., 12 a.m., 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m. to collect samples. Which I've been lucky enough not to do that yet. Although I have been here at 2 a.m. to shut something down. Yeah. Okay, nearly 7:50. I'm finally ready to start diluting for my protein assay. The term pipette jockey comes to mind right about now. Okay, it's now 8:41. I've cast my gel, and I've finally got the protein assay ready to go. There it is. Plate reader. Go. Fortunately, this part only takes a second or two. Well, more like 30 seconds, but still. Finally reading. Takes a bit. It's finished. Yeah. Looks reasonable. Okay, so it is now about 9:30 p.m. I've got my gel running, as you can see there, just started. There's this power supply running at 200 volts, and set for 45 minutes, but hopefully I won't need the whole 45 minutes to run to the bottom. We'll see. Home stretch finally, then it's just a matter of setting up the transfer, and that can run overnight. Come back and work a full day tomorrow. Alright, finally got my overnight transfer up and running. And what this does is it uses electrical current to move the proteins in my gel out of the gel and onto the membrane, the plastic membrane, so that I can probe it with antibodies specific for the proteins of interest. So finally I can just gotta clean up after myself and I can go home. Yeah, so tonight ended up taking closer to 5 hours than 4. So it is now close to well, it's 10:15, so I'll probably get home close to 11. and be back here hopefully by 9:30 tomorrow morning. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed into the downside of being a grad student. Talk to y'all later. Bye now.